If f of x is equal to 4x plus 7, then what is the inverse of our function f? This notation here is just a shorthand for the inverse. And graphically, what it means to have an inverse function, so if we just very quickly graph our line of f of x, we know that it's got a positive y-intercept and a fairly steep slope. So let's say this is our function here. Then the inverse of this function, or any function, is always going to be a reflection across the line y equals x. So our inverse function, which I'll put in orange here, should look something like this, though it's not exact, and they will meet or intersect each other right on this line y equals x. And the way to figure it out analytically, we'll take our function and set it equal to y. So y is 4x plus 7. And then what we'll do is we'll switch x and y and then solve for y again. So switching those, x is equal to 4y plus 7. And now we can solve our equation for y. So we can subtract 7 from each side so that we have x minus 7 is equal to 4y. And then dividing each side by 4, we have that y is equal to x over 4 minus 7 over 4. And this is equal to our inverse function. So our final answer is that x over 4 minus 7 over 4 is the inverse of our original function f of x.